Google AdSense is one of the most popular ways website owners earn money or monetize their content. But like anything else, it can be confusing to get started. Today, I'm going to answer some of the common Google AdSense questions. Welcome back to my channel. This is Francis Ezia, and I'm all about teaching you how to make money online. And if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are super welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you're also very much welcome. And I will indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and smash that bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any valuable content. What is Google AdSense? Let's start with that. Simply put, it's a program that allows website owners to earn money by displaying ads on their website. These ads are generated by Google AdWords program, and website owners earn money every time someone clicks on this ad. Next, let's talk about how much money you can make with AdSense. Actually, the answer to this question is not straightforward because so many factors determine how much money you're going to make with your Google AdSense. And those factors are: one, the amount of traffic you pull to your website. Secondly, your ad placement, where you place the ads on your website. And thirdly, the kind of niche you operate in. These are the factors that are going to determine how much you're going to make from your Google AdSense. And actually, so many website owners or content creators have made a whole lot of money with the help of Google AdSense, but you have to just give it time. It's not something that you just start making huge amount of money overnight. The application process is actually very, very simple. All you just have to do is to head on to adsense.google.com, fill out the application, and however, you will need to make your website meet certain criteria before you can get approved for the program and start earning as good money as possible from your Google AdSense. One of the most important things to keep in mind when using AdSense is that there are certain policies you need to follow. And the moment you flout any of these policies, Google could revoke your AdSense account or get you completely banned. And one of the major policies is this: you don't have to click on your own ads. Trust me, Google knows when you do that. And you don't have to encourage your friends or your relatives to click on these ads, because when they do, Google will know about that and they get your account revoked or banned. Finally, let's talk about how to optimize your AdSense earning. One of the most effective ways to do this is to experiment with the placement and ad formats. You may find that certain types of ads perform better in certain locations on your website, or that certain ad formats are more appealing to your audience. I hope that this video answers some of your Google AdSense questions, and the essence of this video is to just introduce it to you so that from your comments and from your insights on the comment box below, I will be able to make a more detailed video about Google AdSense common questions that you may have, addressing these questions and giving you more insight on how to get started and earn more. I hope this video helps you, and if you have any other questions about Google AdSense, do well to put it down in the comment box below, and I will indulge you to like this video, subscribe, share it, and smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop content like this on how to make money online or anything that has to do with internet and online business, you won't miss out on this great value. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.